Hi, my name is Cassie, and I'm going to be reading Five Little Monkeys Reading in Bed, written and illustrated by Eileen Cristelow. Five Little Monkeys Reading in Bed. When the five little monkeys are ready for bed, their mama reads stories and then kisses each head. It's bedtime for monkeys. Now turn out the light. Oh, Mama, oh, please, one more story tonight. But Mama's too tired. She's read more than 4. Lights out and sweet dreams. She closes their door. One monkey whispers, "This book looks so good. If Mama won't read it, then maybe we could." The monkeys start reading, and the story is sad. One monkey is weeping. She's feeling so bad. That puppy is lost. It's snowing. Oh no! What happens next? Out come the tissues. They all start to bawl. They sob and they cry till the last page of all. It's such a good ending, their sobs turn to cheers. Hooray! Those monkeys are loud. You should cover your ears. Look, his dad finds him. Yay! Yippee! In fact, they're so noisy that Mama runs in. What's all this racket? This chaos? This din? One monkey admits with a guilt-ridden look, "We've been reading the very best happy sad book." Yay! Oops. Mama raises an eyebrow. What was it I said? Lights out, sweet dreams. No more reading in bed. Then one monkey sighs. She turns out the light. I wish we could read this new ghost book tonight. Just look at that goblin and that mean-looking ghost. It's those shadowy bats that I like the most. One monkey starts hooting, an eerie ghost sound. Ooh, ooh. And soon they're all wailing and jumping around. Then a dark, spooky shadow appears on the wall. But a knock at the door is what frightens them all. It's the ghost! They scream. But then Mama walks in. What's all this racket, this chaos, this din? The monkeys all gasp. We thought you were the ghost. This book is so scary. We like it the most. Mama raises an eyebrow. What was it I said? Lights out, sweet dreams. No more reading in bed. One monkey shivers. That book was so creepy, so good, but so scary. I'll never be sleepy. She pulls out a joke book. We've got to be quiet. But the jokes are so funny. In fact, they're a riot. The monkeys try hard not to giggle or laugh. But then there's a joke with a foolish giraffe. Why do giraffes have long necks? So they can wear lots of ties. Ha 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 ha. It's so silly, so goofy. They all start to roar, and then can you guess who flings open their door? Oh yes, it's Mama. She comes storming right in. What's all this racket? This chaos? This din? The monkeys keep giggling. They just cannot quit. Mama picks up their books. I've had it. That's it. She raises an eyebrow. Did you hear what I said? Lights out. Sweet dreams. No more reading in bed. Well, the monkeys are tired. They're almost asleep when they hear someone giggle and then laugh and then weep. Do you hear all that noise? Just who could it be? Let's sneak down the hall. Can you guess what they see? It's Mama. Oh, Mama, they giggle. What was it you said? Lights out, sweet dreams. No more reading in bed. Those monkeys are sleepy. They head out the door. Just wait till tomorrow, and then we'll read more. The end.